Now we are ready to run payroll. If you have not seen part 1 and 2 of this video series, you can watch those for initial setup info. Create a new pay period here. Select your pay period dates. These will most often be either bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly. You will see information populate automatically based on the setup we've done previously. Commission amounts will generate automatically based on sales and the employee's name. You can view a breakdown of their commissionable earnings here. Tax information is shown here. You can edit this area if needed. You can edit some fields on this page as well. A one-time addition or subtraction in pay can be added here. Use this button to reload the most current sales and time clock data. Be warned, this will overwrite any manual changes you've made. When you are finished, you can post payroll. Once you post, you cannot edit a payroll run. You will have to delete all prior pay periods in order to make changes to past pay runs. You can delete a pay period under the Actions button.